everyone. Today I have Keisha with me. If you've seen Snowy, the cute little girl with, well, she's not a little girl. She acts like she's 20, but the long blonde hair. This is her mom, Keisha. Anyway, super good friends, fun clients. And I wanted to show you her haircut. She just wants a trim. We've done everything with her hair. We've had it like a super A-line, like stacked A-line. We have done it all. Yes, yeah, legit. We have done everything and curtain bangs and all the things. Right now she has it super long. So she wants it trimmed, and then we are going to frame her face with some face framing. So I'm gonna put her head down. Just gonna bring this straight down and come across. And what we're doing is we're evening those ends out. When they start getting a little bit sparse and a little bit endy this way, perfect time to just come and get it evened, and it just thickens it up. Okay, so even just taking those little ends, because she doesn't want a lot off, she's growing, but taking that off is going to thicken that up a lot. Okay, then I'm gonna turn her head to the side. I'm gonna bring this to the side. We're gonna trim. Just trim that. Okay, and then the other side, we're going to tilt the head. Make sure their chin is not down, just it's level, but you tilt their head to the side. The problem, if they have their head looking down, if you cut it while they're looking down, when you lift their head up, it's going to be shorter. And so you definitely want to make sure they're just even and they're just tilted this way. Okay, so there is that. Now what we're going to do is around the face. Her hair's gorgeous around her face. Well, her face is gorgeous, so it doesn't matter. She looks good both ways. Okay. All right.
Further.
And you just want this trimmed, right, sweetie?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay, so we're just gonna come here, trim what's here. And then a lot of times, you guys, what I love to do is dry. Maybe I'll come on this side. Sorry, coming on the side. I'm gonna hold it this way. Come in, just barely open and shut the shears, trim that all up. Then I dry it, then I can always check. Then if we need to take more, we can, okay? Then we'll come back on this side, bring it this way. How you doing, my dear?
Good.
Good. Okay, and okay, so now that we have both sides done, what we are going to do is, now did you want any texture?
No.
Nope, okay, no texture. We are going to do a little bit of the mousse up through the top. Just to give it a little bit of volume up here, a little bit of body. And around the face. And then the rest, I'm going to spray the Wow on it, and I will show you what that is. I use it for a ton of my long-haired girls. It is such an amazing product. Okay, this is the Wow. Let me rinse it off. Okay, this is the Dream Coat. I love this. This helps all long hair. You don't need a ton to spray it through. Makes it super soft and shiny. So the mousse up here for a little bit of volume. The rest is just for soft and shiny. Okay, so now we're going to dry. Just going back and forth with the fingers. Not only have we done like all the haircuts on her, we've done all the colors. We've done copper, we've done dark, we've done dark red, we've done some blonde, we've done some color melt. Just whatever she's feeling, huh?
So.
Yeah, next time we'll have to show one of your colors or something, whatever you decide.
That.
Oh, sorry, sweetie. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna pull half of this up, take little sections here. And this is a really good brush. This is a paddle brush for drying. It's actually a wet brush, but it's a paddle brush for drying long hair. And I'm really liking this brush. Okay, and then another section. The littler sections you take, the easier it is to dry, the faster it is. Sometimes you're in a hurry and you think, oh, I'm just gonna take a big section and be done with it. But honestly, if you take littler sections, so this paddle brush, you can see I'm kind of turning it. We turn this on low. And then I come in here and I'm turning it in towards her face a little bit as I dry. I'll obviously come and use the flat iron, but as I dry, I'm kind of turning that in. And then the back, of course, I'm just coming out normal. Just brushing it out as I dry. See, just take that, kind of turn that in towards her face a little bit. Kind of like a round brush, but it's with the paddle brush. Okay, now with this much hair down, I'm gonna take the flat iron and I'm gonna come through. Flat iron that. And I'm just barely turning under the ends. I'll come over on this side. And then, of course, this side, can have this come in towards her face. Okay, then we'll take another little section. How you doing, sweetie?
Good.
Good. Just relaxed.
Taking extra cover, too far.
Gotta love it. You're so cute.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I'm going to take the flat iron to the front and around her face.
Oh, actually.
Just doing the flat iron, just barely under on the ends. Just taking that in towards her face, and then we will double check it. Okay, and then we will just finish drying the top of this. And then after I flat iron, we will double check the framing around her face.
There it is. Earth.
Okay, I'm just coming up through this top, making sure it's all nice and dry.
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like long ago when we had that cut on you with all those layers and now look at it, it's so long.
Look through here. So,
Okay, then we'll come do this side. Goodness, I'm getting caught over here. Go ahead. Okay. All right, now I'm going to come around the front and we're just going to double check. Okay, you're almost done. Of course, then I don't get to sit with your hair, so. Okay, I just want to make sure it's all even. Okay, I think that's good. I'm going to show her in the mirror and make sure that's enough around her face.
what?
Does that feel about right?
What?
Okay, so cute. Okay, now she likes just a little bit of volume on top. In fact, I'm going to do just a little bit of oil. Just a tiny bit throughout, through here. Smells good, huh?
It's the best part of going to the hair salon.
Yeah, it's so true, right? All the smells. So true. Okay, just gonna back comb this a tiny bit. She does like a tiny bit, obviously not a ton, but a little bit. Unless we have the shorter hair, and then we like a lot. All right, how you feeling? Good.
Brown hair.
Good, good. Okay, I'm gonna turn her to the mirror just so I can see if that's enough, but not too much. Does that feel about right, like poofy wise?
Nothing.
Yeah, nothing crazy. She just wants it nice and, oh, so cute. Okay, thank you so much. You are gorgeous and I appreciate you letting me show your haircut. Yeah, so we'll keep you posted when she does other things. We'll have to do more videos. It's fun to just show you like how long it is because like I said, we've had it.
I have the shortest A-line.
Yeah, shortest A-line, clear, short, and super long. And yeah, anyway, so fun, but it's fun to change it up. Okay, have a good one, you guys. Thanks again for supporting and thanks for letting us show you. And I appreciate it. Have a good day. See ya.